Hi, welcome to all in the series of our revisions. Now we are proceed to solve the questions. 10 subject 2 questions are already solved by you on the first chapters and first videos. This video include only 10 questions that are objective questions. I think nowadays everyone busy for preparing your half field exams, and it is very necessary for everyone to scoring good marks in half exams and in all the subjects. So dear students, be focus on your exams, be concentrate, follow your timetables, instructions given by your teachers. Don't waste your time doing other works. So I hope that first series or first part are very helpful for you to recall your concept and complete the revision it within a time. So this our second series is also very helpful for everyone, and you can getting more concept from the given 10 questions. If you are really want to understand all the concept, so practice more and more. So further question first, if 4 by 9 is divided by x, if 4 by 9 is divided by x, what was the value of x? To solve this given equation, then you can getting option A, B, C and D. You can decide which option are correct. Proceed to question second. Which of the following are rational number between -6 and -5? Everyone know there are countless rational number between two rational number. Everyone know their procedures. How can you solve them? Everyone know. But which of the following rational number are lie between -6 and -5? First, you can decide the given rational number is a rational number or not. Then you can solve on your copy. Then you can reach at your decision to which options are correct. Next, the cost of 2 and 3 meter, 3 by 5 meter of cloth is rupees 65. Given that the cost of 2 and 3 by meter of cloth is rupees 65. What are the cost of per meter? What are the cost of 1 meter? You know how can we calculate the cost of one single object? So firstly recall your how can you calculate the cost of one articles. So it is similar to calculation of one article's object. To recall your concept, how can you calculate? Further question 4, which of the following are correct? Which of the following options are correct means that A, B, C and D. Okay. Option A, closure equal to A equal to B, associative equal to given properties, commutative equal to shown on screen. Okay, you can observe which options and their answer are correct. Then you can predict which options are actually correct. Means closure property, recall your closure property, what are the formulas, associative property, what are their formulas, commutative property, what are their formulas. If their name and their formula are correct, then you can select the correct answer. Further question number 5th, A into B plus C equal to A into B plus A into C defined by. These formulas are defined by actually under addition, under subtraction, under distribution, under addition, distributive, under multiplication. Okay, if you give a correct answer, you can score 1 marks. So try, recall your all the concept, then give the answer. Proceed to question number 6. Which of the following operation does not follow the commutative? Okay, listen. Which of the following operation does not follow the commutative? Multiplication, division, subtraction, and addition. From these 4 options, which properties does not follow commutative property? So before solving this question, it is very important for you to know what is commutative property and which operation does not follow this commutative. If you move to question number 7, what are the difference between fractions and a rational number? Everyone know what are difference between rational number and fraction. I think everyone familiar with their definitions. fractions and a rational number. But my question is that what are the difference? What are the actually meanings of fraction and a rational number? You can give your answer in one words. Next question number 8. 0 is a rational number. Okay, 0 is a rational number. True or false? Someone said that false, someone that true, but how? Okay, jump to question number 9. Write the name of property are used in given examples. 0 plus 7 equal to 7 plus 0. Okay, it is very easy, but recall. Okay, don't see here and there. Where is my answer? Where is my book? Okay, during your test, no one try to see the books, net, mobile, and no one try to ask your parents, your friend. Okay, try yourself. If you are really want to good marks, okay, try yourself. Okay, best yourself. Write the name of property used on question number 9. Okay, after that, end over these videos, and question number 10, multiply 6 by 13 by the reciprocal of minus 7 by 16 becomes. Multiply 6 by 13 by the reciprocal of minus 6 by 13 becomes. You know how can we write the reciprocal? Any numbers? Okay, and what's your answer? Okay, one thing I want to say that everyone give your best, do hard work, give more time, extra time to revise all the chapters. After completing this video, in our next class, we will try to discuss about their solution and their another problems related to these topics. Okay, thanks for watching. If some students are new and watching first time, so you can subscribe the channel, and by the help of this subscription, you can getting a notification after uploading all the videos that are related for you. Again, thanks for watching this video.